Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a request letter for landline disconnection. What is a request letter for landline disconnection? A request letter for landline disconnection is a formal written communication addressed to a telecommunications company, expressing the sender's desire to terminate their landline phone service. The letter typically includes the sender's personal information, account details, and the specific landline number to be disconnected. The main purpose of the letter is to formally notify the company of the intention to cancel the service. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a request letter for landline disconnection step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. After that, write the information about the recipient. If you don't know the full name, just write the occupation in the company. You can write the manager, the customer service, and so on. And write the name of the company. Under it, write the address of the company. When you write the address, don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And now, write the subject of the letter. You can simply write letter for disconnecting landlord or broadband or BSNL connection. Don't forget to mention your landline number when you write this. Make sure you write the correct number so the disconnection process will be faster. And you can open the letter with salutation. Write Dear Sir or Madam since you don't know the name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, state directly that you want a disconnection for yours landline. In this case, you can write I would like to surrender and close my BSNL landline connection, or other related services. And don't forget to mention the number of your landline, or other related services. You need to write the reason why you want a disconnection. Simply write you are not using the same or don't need it anymore. And ask the recipient to kindly do your request. In the second paragraph, you must mention that you attached all the required documents. For example, you can submit your surrender or closure form that you have filled. And attach also the copy of the latest telephone bill. Different company requires different documents, so you just need to attach them all. Since the landline mostly related to other services like broadband and so on, request also the recipient to stop all services. You can ask the information about the closure process. Don't forget to thank the recipient. Finally, you may close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. Write also your full address. You need to write the full one by including the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Yes, you can also add phone number. So, that's you write a request letter for landline disconnection. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.